Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the HONOR X7A. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. To do it, just switch it off and switch it on again. Then look for your device on the Bluetooth available devices list. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and just click restart. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to activate pair mode you will find the manual instruction to your device. In my case I have to click 3 times this button. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds. You have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode but you still don't see it in the Bluetooth list, in the next step go to the settings, slide down to the system and updates and choose reset. Now choose network settings, and you can see the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on the reset settings, confirm pattern and configure it by this button. Then look for the device. The next tip for me, check in the system and updates if you have any system updates. So if you can download any system updates and it's available for your phone, just install it and look for your device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your HONOR on other Bluetooth device to check which one gadget making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment and goodbye.